Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a way to connect two Google Sheets without some of the hassle and limitations that come with the usual ImportRange formula, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to walk you through the absolute best alternative method using a tool called Coefficient. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to link data between multiple Google Sheets smoothly, reliably, and without the headaches. Whether you're trying to share information across teams, pull data into a centralized dashboard, or just make your workflow more efficient, this solution has got you covered. So let's dive right into it. To start, you'll want to make sure you have Coefficient installed on your Google Sheets. This step is simple, but if you haven't used add-ons before, don't worry, I'll walk you through it. Head up to the top menu, click on Extensions, then navigate down to Add-ons and select Get Add-ons. This will open up the Google Workspace Marketplace. Just type Coefficient into the search bar, hit Enter, and you should see it pop right up. Go ahead and install it. This is totally safe, and it's used by thousands of professionals to help with exactly this kind of data connection. Once it's installed, you'll notice it appears under your Extensions menu, ready to go. Now with Coefficient in place, let's get those two sheets talking to each other. Go back to the Extensions menu, hover over Coefficient, and select Launch. This will open a new panel. Don't worry if it takes a second to load, that's totally normal. In this side panel, look for the option that says Import From, then choose Files, and from there select Google Sheets. What we're doing here is telling Coefficient we want to pull data from another Google Sheet, not just from files or databases elsewhere. Up next, it's time to choose the sheet you want to connect. You'll see a window pop up where you can browse your Google Drive. Take a moment here if you need to, especially if you have a lot of spreadsheets. Find the specific sheet that holds the data you want to work with, click on it, and hit Select. This is where the magic happens, because you're about to build a bridge directly to that data. No messy formulas required. Once you've picked your source sheet, you'll notice you can get even more specific. You can choose the exact tab you want to bring in data from. Think of these like the different rooms in a house, each with its own set of information. You can also set the range, meaning you don't have to import the entire sheet if you only need a particular section. There's even a toggle for headers, so your column titles come across nice and clean. Take a moment to decide what makes sense for your use case. Sometimes less is more. When you're ready, click Next. Review everything just to double-check you've picked the right tab and range, and then hit Import. Now here, where you might need a little patience, it can take a few moments if your dataset is large or your internet connection is slow. You'll know it's working because you'll see a little blue line appear at the top of your Google Sheet. That's your confirmation that the connection is live, and your data is now flowing in from the other sheet. So much easier than wrestling with ImportRange permissions or endless formula troubleshooting. And that's it, you've now connected two Google Sheets in a way that's both efficient and user-friendly. If you got stuck or have any questions, please drop them in the comments below. I'm always here to help. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.